Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the what is the inheritance, what are the types of inheritance, and what is the use of inheritance. So let's start with the what is the inheritance in Java. So in inheritance, one object it acquires all the properties and data from the another class. That is called as the inheritance. Inheritance is an important topic of OOPS concept. OOPS is a object-oriented programming language. In inheritance, you can create a new classes that are built upon the existing classes. When you inherit from the existing classes, you can reuse the methods and fields of the parent class. You can add also new methods of a current class also. In inheritance represents the ISA relationship, that is also known as the parent-child relationship. So let's talk about the why use the inheritance in Java. First is a method overriding. It can be achieved polymorphism. So let's see what is the method overriding in Java. In method overriding, if subclass is the same method of declares in the parent class, that is called as the method overriding in Java. Then which terms used in inheritance? There are the four terms used in inheritance. First is a class, second is a child class, third is a parent class, fourth is a reusability. So let's see one by one in detail. First is a class. Class is a collection of objects, that is known as the class. A class is a template which is used to declare or creating an object, that is a class. Second is a child class. In child class, is acquires all properties and data and behaviors from the parent class, that is called as a child class. Third is parent class. Parent class inherits the child class properties. It is known as the parent class. Then fourth is a reusability. It facilitates to you to reuse the code and data from the existing class. If you create a new class with extend keyword from an existing class, then there is no need to declare same methods from an existing class. You can use directly from an existing class, and you can also create new methods and new fields in current class also. That is the main advantage. Of a reusability. Then let's talk about the syntax of the inheritance. First is the class name, subclass child class name extends parent class name. In open curly bracket, there are the methods and fields are there. Curly bracket close. That is the syntax of the inheritance. For example, child class is acquires the all data and behaviors they found from the parent class. In this case, extend keyword it indicates the that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. Extend keyword, it means the use increase the functionality in Java. Then let's talk about the what are the types of inheritance. There are the three types in inheritance. First is a single inheritance. Second is a multi-level inheritance. Third is a hierarchical inheritance. Let's see. First, single inheritance. In single inheritance, for example, dog, son extends father class. It means the son is acquiring the all the data and behavior from the father class. It is also called as the single inheritance. Because there is only single class inherits from the another class. That is called as the single inheritance. Then second is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, it is a chain of multi-level inheritance. For example, son extends the father class, father extends the grandfather class. It means son is acquiring the all data and behavior from the parent class. Then father can also acquire the behavior and data from the grandfather class. That is called as the multi-level inheritance. And third is hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there are the two or more classes in a single inheritance. That is called as the hierarchical inheritance. For example, son and daughter extends the father class. It means son and daughter it is using the same method from the father class. That is called as the hierarchical inheritance. So in this video we have covered the what is the inheritance and what is the use of inheritance and what are the types of inheritance in Java. So thank you.